Hi, and welcome to the tutorial on the 3D layer. Basically, the 3D layer allows you to take anything you're looking at in your main view and add a 3D component to it. So to do that, we're going to go up to the Add New Layer, go to 3D Layer, click out of here, and it adds that 3D view. If you double click your layer, it'll give you instructions both on the info and the controls on how to navigate your 3D layer and how moving your mouse and what buttons move it which way. So this is something you're going to want to practice a couple of times to become familiar with the different ways that the 3D layer will move. Right now you can see in my main view that I'm using the MOLA 256 PPD elevation map. You can actually change your altitude maps by elevation, numeric, and custom. So for instance, we're on elevation. You can actually click this and choose a different map if you'd like. And it'll give you a description on the citation for the map too. If you do decide to change this map, before you can see any of the 3D layer, you have to press Update Scene. And when you press Update Scene, it refreshes the viewing screen so that you get the latest information available. If you go to Settings, you can actually turn on an artificial light on the 3D layer to get an extra component to it. You can even change the color. So we'll add teal, press OK. And the third thing you can do with this is actually change the way your artificial lighting is coming from. So you can just move it around in whichever direction you'd like. You can change the bottom to make it opaque, or you can change the background color. Right now it defaults to a black background color, but if you want to, you can click that and choose a color that you'd want to change it to. So we'll just change it to white. Press OK. Go back into the layer. And before you'll see any of these changes, once again you have to press Update Scene. So if you click Update Scene, it'll bring that 3D layer back. And this time it has the artificial light. We're going to click this off. If you go back to Controls, you'll see this area called Vertical Exaggeration. So right now in our 3D layer, you can't really see a lot of the vertical exaggerations because a lot of the craters I'm looking at in my main view are very shallow. So we're going to press Update Scene again. And now you can see your craters are much more exaggerated. So we'll move this over, and this is a good way to get familiar with these buttons, is by putting your 3D view on the side of your toolbar. So that way you can look at your instructions on how to move around and navigate through your 3D layer. Well, that's it for the 3D layer. Thanks for joining me.